This is a regular steel covered with zinc, and is commonly used in marine application. Where you found this type of lag balls on the stringers to fix it, the motor mounts. You remember? And this is a good selection. Why? Why this is not good? For example, in that application on the motor mounts. Excuse me?
It'll corrode the fiberglass.
Why? It is covered with zinc.
Zinc only has 2 electrons.
Oh, because zinc is the donut for oxygen, no? Oxygen loves zinc. Ah, okay. The oxygen located in the moisture, in the humidity, attack this zinc and eat it, the zinc, quickly. And after that, the iron is exposed, the steel. When the iron is exposed and the humidity continue around of this area, what happened? The iron destroyed the foam and destroyed the fiberglass around this. And what happened with your motor mount? Will be loose. And the final consequence is that your engine is loose. And the symptom is that your boat is vibrate. Finito. This type of balls are recommended in marine application? Nothing. Never use galvanized hardware. What type of balls, screws should be used? Stainless steel. Series 316, 304. Yeah? 18A, 1810. Okay, those are the bolts. This is not good. This is galvanized. Galvanized is used in fence, residential application, in structures of buildings, but no in your boat, no in marine applications. What is this invention? The people say, okay, I am going to cover it, the metal, in this particular case, plain steel, with a layer of zinc. And the oxygen will attack the zinc and no the metal inside. Okay, the oxygen attack the zinc until the zinc disappear. When the zinc disappear, attack the metal. You know, that protection is for a short period of time. What happened with those balls on the environment outside in 2 years? They are gone. No, it's a cosmetic protection. It's a cosmetic protection. Galvanized is very, very common in industrial application, residential application. It's not recommended in marine application.